All right, so welcome to another session of our training. So I'll be teaching how to create a landing page, and this will be very helpful for you as a business individual. You'll be able to merge all your links into a single link. Merging all links from Facebook, Instagram, your website, your store into a single link. So I'm going to drop the web link on the video description so that you can also create your account. So the web link is iLink. You enter in your web browser and then you click on the three lines. Then you click on register to create a new account. So you can decide to register by your email. If you have a Gmail account presently registered on your phone or your device, you can use that directly. So I'm going to register with a Gmail account. So note you must have your internet connection on to get this done. So I'm going to select an account, or let me use another account. Okay, let me select this. So this works for those that have those that have Google accounts, that is Gmail, registered on their device. Now, this is what you're going to have when you click on register. If you want to choose the other means of filling the form, entering your email address, your password, and all that, you are good to go. But if you want to choose, select an already registered email address on your phone, so you just click on go with Google email, and that's all. So we want to build link now. So by default, it is on build link page, and then you are going to come to your link. You put your link, the name you want to give to your link. So let's assume I've inserted mine, and then at this point also you need to put your picture where we have the avatar. So I would advise you make use of your profile picture, your own personal picture, and not your business brand logo. No, I won't advise that. So make use of your own profile picture, and then click on your name, put your name. That is your real name, not your business name now. And then under this bio, you tell us about yourself and your brand. So you write about yourself and then about your brand. What do you do? I am so and so. I'm into this, and this. You make it comprehensive. Make it comprehensive. So let me just put the short right up so that you can see how it works. A dash and dash. So I'll not be filling that. Okay, your contact info, your email address. You can use your business email address. Let me just put in something. Your phone number, you use your business phone number. Your mobile number, if it's different from your business number, you can put that. Then your website, if you have a website, you can use it, you can put it. If you have a store, an e-commerce store, you can also put it. at this point. But if you don't have, you can just leave it blank. And then your address, your business address also, for those operating a physical store, you can write in your address. Now you have the a section for the social media links. Now by default you can see Facebook highlighted in red. That is the edges, the headlines of the Facebook logo is what is painted red. So at this point you can put in your Facebook link. You can come here and paste the link of your Facebook, maybe www.facebook.com. Let me just try and put something. Facebook.com / So you can always get a link from your Facebook account. Always get a link from a Facebook account, and then you click submit. So after submitting that, if you want to add a Twitter account, you also use that. Okay, I'll still go back to that. Now we are going to choose a template. You are going to choose a template how you want to view. How do you want to view the view of your dashboard? How do you want it to look like? So can select any template of your choice. This is a pro tip for those that subscribe to their paid version. So we continue with the free version. Okay, the background now. You can choose your background, the desired color. If you want it to be animating, you can decide to choose any animation for that. You can see this is going to display when your people you give your link are viewing. This is how the animation is going to be, to be displayed. Then if you want to choose a color, you choose a color, and don't forget you must always save your editing. You must always save it so that you can have effect on your dashboard. So I've clicked on save, and then the next step to ask you add your links. So you can add a button. So for this link here, you can add a link. It can be your Facebook link. It can be a link to a product, an AWOOF sale you are currently running. Maybe on Facebook, maybe on Instagram, or on a particular website. You can just come here, give it a title, and then the link, the URL, you paste the URL here, and then you save it. Also, music, you can also add music, and you can also add a video, that is YouTube videos. So for the YouTube video, if you have a video you have uploaded on YouTube, you can come here and then insert the URL, that is the link of that YouTube, and then you click on add. So once you click on add, it's going to appear on your dashboard, and then people with your link can access it. All right, so I'm going to click on skip now. Okay, so if you need to add any other buttons, you can add them. And then below here, you can come below. We have some icons. That's the links. You can go to the settings. If you want to make any changes, you can do the editing here. You want to add your Instagram, just click on Instagram and then click your paste in your Instagram link here. You want to add your YouTube link, click on YouTube and then paste the link. It is very simple. People can always have access to everything about you, everything about your business with just a click. So when you are done with that, you can play with other icons we have below. You'll be limited to some functions because you are operating on the free version. And the last icon we have here is the store. That is that section is usually open for people that have subscribed or that have upgraded uh, on HighLink. So, like I said, we have the paid version and we have the free version. So, with this, you can usually share your links to anybody, and then they will have access to all that you do. So, let me go to my link dashboard. Link dashboard. Let me visit the link now. Under the settings, you can get the link that to be given to your clients or to your customers and anybody you want to wish to. So just come here and copy the link. You can see the copy icon here at the top where we have il.inc/dignity enterprise. Click on the copy icon and then your link will be copied. Your link will be copied. You can see it has been copied. Then you can now go to your browser and let's see how it looks. Paste it there. And then it loads up. So we're waiting for it to get loaded. Now you can see it has opened up. So if I have uploaded my picture, I'm going to have my picture appearing. You can see this is my name, and then my bio. If I've put up something on my bio about myself, about my business, is going to be listed here. This is the link, the Facebook link I have attached. If you have also done that, you're going to have it here. If I've included my YouTube link, everything, any link I have created during my registration, or anytime you go back to edit your link, everything is going to appear on this page. And then anybody with your link can just click, and then let me click on the Facebook and see what will happen if my link is correct. I've clicked on that Facebook icon, so it's going to redirect me. You can see it's like that means there's a problem with my Facebook link. So I have to copy the correct Facebook link and then paste it on the HighLink. So that is that on how to create a landing page.